these goals and these dreams. I know I can't live without them. That means I gotta go get it. I know a lot of people, they doubt it. Gotta prove them wrong, gotta prove them all wrong. Gotta prove them wrong, gotta prove them all wrong. Gotta prove them wrong, gotta prove them all wrong. Gotta prove them wrong, wrong.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Y'all, I'm so happy to be here today to bring you all this video. I'm not feeling great, but I'm getting better. I'm sorry I'm bringing this video late because I should have been put this video out, but I had COVID, and you know, our power has been out in some cities in Tennessee, so I'm just getting things back in order. So I hope you all join me, and I hope I could be beneficial to you all today. So today we are going to do a Temu video, and this is not a video on whether Temu is legit or not, because we have come to that conclusion that Temu is legit. But the thing is what do you get from Temu? The items, the products, there's so many. I mean, Temu has so many items that you can choose from, and these items are definitely like, they're functional items, and they're very, you know, you can use them in different places in your home. I think that Temu is great. I love Temu. You know, I'm Temu. I'm Temu. That's what I'm Temu. I'm Temu. Okay, that was too much. Okay. So anyway, the things that I got, the first batch of things that I got are things that are related to what I do on YouTube, and that is DIYs and everything. So y'all, look, I gotta take a sip of my tea. I mean, I'm here to give you tea, so why not sip on some tea? Okay, y'all, so sip on this tea. So Temu, actually, let me tell y'all, I ordered some things from Temu like in 2022. I think it was like October. A friend of mine at work, she told me about Temu. So I seen, you know, she showed me the website, and I was like, you know what? She's from China. So she showed me the things and everything, and I was like, you know, I'm gonna look at it. But it was a lot. It was a lot to look at. So I ordered a few things, and I got them back, and it took longer than it takes now. So they have definitely improved on shipping and stuff like that, you know, and that's my opinion. And so I got a lot of things that I really get from Amazon, but the price of Temu versus Amazon, oh my God, I would be done with Amazon for my crafting things. Let them get 2-day shipping. It's over with. So the first thing I want to show y'all is this beautiful, it comes like this in this, on this wrap or whatever, but it's so beautiful, and they have so many different choices. I think this is so cute. Yeah, they have so many different choices on so many different things. I absolutely love Temu. Okay, so I got these little mirror sticks, and I'm going to use some of these in some future project. They have, you know, this right here comes off the clear, what you call it? It's mirror though, but it comes off the paper on top, so it gives you that mirror effect. So I really do like a lot of the items that I got from Temu. This right here is this is my favorite, y'all. This is like absolutely my favorite because I use a lot of this. But this is, look how long this is, y'all. I mean, I think this is like almost $40 on Amazon, and I think it was like 20, maybe less than that, y'all. I'm not sure, but either way, it was definitely cheaper than Amazon. Look what all you get. And it goes even longer. So this can be like a table runner or whatever, and you can also cut to pieces to fit whatever you're trying to do. I love this, y'all. I think it was, I don't know, I had paid like $15 for just half, not even half of it, just a little placemat type of thingamajig. So that was something that I really did appreciate, that Temu did that for me. Temu did all this for me. Temu said, let me, yeah, we're gonna do this for Tasha, or the Glam Goddess, whatever you want to call it. But this is another thing that I use a lot, And I thought this was so neat that it only cost $1. $1 and some cent, $2, something like that. But either way, it was definitely not $15 for like Amazon or $9, but it came with, I got 2 of these. So I got a lot of different numbers of things, but I'm gonna give you all probably a few. Look at this, y'all. This is so beautiful. It's gold and silver. I don't know if you can see that, but it's gold and silver. I don't know how much this was. I don't remember, but Temu reached out to me and they sent me, I think it was like $300 worth of things. So this is beautiful, and I will be using this in an upcoming project. Okay, so let me tell y'all about these bags. Now, Temu, come on now. The only thing is they give you these big old bags. But let me tell you, I still like Temu. And at first I was like, why did they send me these big old bags? But the thing is, hey, you can use these bags for storage for things. So I'm keeping these bags. Thanks, Temu. So I got these little decals that go on your wall or whatever. I'm going to do something with these soon. I don't know what I'm going to do, but I am going to do something with these mirrored little circles or whatever. And I got like, I think about 4 packages of those for whatever I'm going to do. I don't know. I you know, I just be looking at stuff, you know, try to figure out what I'm gonna do with what. But also, you know, what I do like about Temu, they have great customer service, awesome customer service. And I did order something from Temu, y'all. I ordered something from Temu, and turned out it wasn't the right length of what I ordered. And let me just say that I contacted them and they corrected it quickly. I mean, it wasn't even a day, and they corrected it, and I was like so happy with the results of the customer service. Now, let me tell y'all this. Now, my hair is messed up, but let me tell y'all where I got this hair from, okay? I haven't curled it in a while, y'all, but guess where I got this hair from, y'all? Let me just tell y'all. I got this hair from Temu. Y'all, I got this hair from Temu, okay? Temu, like, their hair is so affordable. You know, y'all got to excuse all this stuff in my face. It comes from the masks that I have to wear at work. It's like, oh, my skin is terrible right now. It looks a mess, but that's okay, y'all. I'm gonna be on here and I'm gonna be cute next time, okay? So this hair is it's affordable, and it curls. I haven't dyed any of their hair or anything like that, but I am impressed with the hair that I have purchased from them and the hair that they sent me. I got another couple of bundles coming, and I will show you all. I couldn't wait to put it in to try it out, so I did. So it really does, like I said, I haven't curled it in a while, so you know, it's not giving, you know, just got done vibes. But I think it looks cute. You know, I think it lasts, and the price was exceptionally, you know, it was a good price. So I mean, the hair has held, and I've had it in for probably, I want to say, about a month and a half. So it's really given longevity, and it still looks kind of good after, you know, wow. I didn't want to give a review on it until I was completely done with it, but I really like it. So y'all get y'all some hair from Temu. Temu. We Team you up in here. So, okay, so getting back to, you know, my DIY stuff. These are the bigger ones, the bigger mirrors that I ordered. I'm going to be doing something with these as well. Y'all, I got so much stuff from Temu that I have to show to y'all. It's so much. And also these were so super cute. They're mirrored, and like I said, they have the clear protective paper over it, so you really can't see the mirror effects or whatever. Y'all got glue up under my nails. Really? Okay, so anyway, this is how it's looking. I love that. Okay, so once again, Temu, really, look, this big old bag, this little bit. But anyway, y'all, like I said, I'm gonna keep these bags, so I ain't gonna say nothing else about Temu. I ain't gonna say nothing else about the bags. Okay, so y'all, these little these are so beautiful. I know y'all can't see these, but they're yes, you can. They're like rhinestones or whatever, and you use this pen. I got the pen from Amazon, but they do have the pen at Temu that you use to pick up these diamond pieces with. And let me just tell y'all, at Temu, they are so much cheaper. Oh my God, they're so much cheaper. So y'all can check that out. I got probably about 5 or 6 bags of these that I'm gonna do some DIYs with. Y'all, I'm sorry for my other cell phone. That's my Ring. Oh, and let me tell y'all, now they don't have Ring, they didn't have the Ring cameras on Temu, but I just looked not too long ago and I did see that they have the, you know, the other kind of doorbells or what, doorbell ring, like Ring, you know, they do have those. So that's so super cool. Y'all check that out. I got these mirrored ovals because I'm gonna do a project with these. So these are bendable, they're flexible. I love that. You don't have to worry about breaking, because I'm telling y'all something, if I believe in 7 years of bad luck breaking a mirror, I probably would, you know, because I'm broken so many times. So it's good to be able to get the plastic or the acrylic kind. Those are better for me. I got this also because I wanted a bigger oval. It's got the stuff on it, but I got this too. And I'm going to use this in a DIY. I'm going to detach this and, you know, do another DIY with that. Okay. So guys, I got these plates from Temu. Let me tell y'all, these are, you know, a lot of people have these plates, but I got these off of Temu. Come on now, look at that. I don't even remember the price, y'all, but whatever it was, as I said, it was so much cheaper than Amazon or Home Goods or anywhere. So I am so glad that they had those, because I'm going to do a tablescape soon, and it's going to be part of it. Okay, these are the little circles I got again, and these are plates or whatever. So guys, I got so much other stuff from Temu that I really want to show you all, but I'm going to do that in another video. Okay guys, so those are some of the things that I got from Temu. I'm not gonna, you know, show you all of everything at once, because that would be a long video, because they did send a lot of stuff in. With $300, oh my God, you can shop till you drop, like literally shop till you drop. So I am like so impressed with Temu. They have like a jillion, gazillion, fazillion products that you can like buy and like really get a whole lot of things. I mean, who don't get excited when they have a big, huge box coming to their house with so many different products in it? I mean, so many different products. I'm looking for stuff for my kitchen because I am about to change colors, and I've seen other YouTube channels where they showed a lot of kitchen items that Temu has. So I am definitely gonna like look into that. And I'm gonna tell you, I saw so many different items on Temu that I have seen on other websites, and they triple the cost. They're triple the cost of the item, more so than Temu. Temu is very in their quality. The quality of the product is amazing. Like I said, as the same as Amazon or anywhere else. I'm starting to believe that Amazon get their stuff from Temu. What y'all think? I think Amazon get their stuff from Temu. Some of those vendors, they get it from Temu. They gotta be. Like, come on now. I mean, but the prices are amazing. Okay, guys, so I hope that I've answered some of your lingering questions about Temu, if you had any. And there is no question whether Temu is legit or not, because they are definitely legit. And they, when they reached out to me, of course, the amount that they gave me to shop with, I was like, wow, this is a lot. This is good for these prices, because things are $2, $3. So when the box arrived, it was a huge box. I've gotten 2-3 boxes at this point, but it was a huge box. So I was impressed with the packaging. I was impressed with everything. You know, like I told you about the big bags that they give, but hey, use those for storage, honey. That's what I'm gonna do. And Temu has a jillion products, y'all, to choose from. So that's the great thing about Temu as well. And these are functional products. These are products that you can actually use. So I love that. Hey, y'all, I got this pink, it's a whole pink outfit, but I'm not gonna show y'all all of that, all my goods. But anyway, I got this shirt from Temu, and I was trying to see about the sizing, you know, because anytime you buy things overseas, the sizes usually run smaller. Not the case. When I tell you, they said US, and it was, this is bigger than I expected. I ordered up. But I shouldn't have. I should have ordered the size that I actually wear, because this shirt is bigger than what I would have normally gotten. So let me just say that, and I'm not saying every vendor, I don't know about every vendor, but the one I got, it was perfectly sized. I just got the wrong size. I should have gotten my size instead of a size up, thinking that because this item was coming from overseas, it was going to be smaller. No, ma'am. It is the right size. So I love Temu for that. And I've ordered some more things. So I'm hoping that I will be able to do a little fashion show for y'all, because I don't like showing my body. But anyway, I like that. And the items that were on Temu's website, it was easy to navigate the website. I love that. I found everything that I needed or that I wanted, or something that was related to what I was looking for. So that was great. I had a wonderful experience with Temu. I like that the quality of their products, it's just like any other, you know, website, their products and stuff like that. So I was like amazed at the whole experience. Even though Temu reached out to me for this collaboration, sponsorship or whatever, I would definitely buy their products on my own with my own money at any given moment, because they are very inexpensive, and I love the customer service, and it doesn't take long to ship. Now, let me tell you, that 2-day thing, Temu, I mean, I know y'all overseas and all, but y'all need to do that 2-day thing or whatever, honey. Y'all have me sold. I mean, I'm sold on y'all now, but you know what I mean. Y'all hear me, Temu? Y'all listening? So, guys, I hope y'all got what y'all needed. So, if y'all like what y'all see, y'all know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more glam DIYs. Be blessed.